Hello. Today we're going to do a general overview of CalChart version 3.6. There have been many changes since CalChart 3.5, so we're going to have a little introduction and overview. Now here's CalChart for me down here in the corner. I'm going to open it, and right off the bat you'll notice that there's a new logo page that allows you to see quick information and report any issues by clicking on this link. It'll open up our report page. From here, what I can do is I can open any previous shows, open a new show, or create a new show. I'm going to start off by editing one of our old shows. When I open this, you'll note that there's a lot more information that we're providing. This is a new advanced windowing system we call the advanced windowing system that has many modules that allow you to view information about a particular show you're editing. The middle of the show is what we call the field view, and this is it allows you to see the current position of marchers, and you can edit their dot position and what their dot type is. From here, actually, this main view allows you to do you can switch between it and an animation view directly in line. So this allows you to go between that view and the animation view really quickly by just viewing it. Also, what you'll note is in this animation view, you can switch between the overhead view and the omni view with a click of a button. When you're editing here and you're playing your show, you'll note that the toolbar at the top allows you to quickly move between all the different parts of the show for every beat and head over to all of the beats. Going from the top, we have our toolbar on the top. Now, the toolbars over here have our lassos, our shapes, and our buttons. And if your window is small and too small to allow all of the toolbar buttons to appear, you can always pull down and see some more. We also have the other toolbars like our zoom, our spacings, paths, and our ghost one, and we've introduced a new color palette. More on that in a future video. This module on the left-hand side is the field thumbnails. This allows you quickly to see the overhead of all the different aspects of the show, so you can see the different sheets and where they look like they're moving over time. And there's a little mini animation view off to the side here. This allows you, as you're editing here and working, to see what things would look like at the different parts of the show without obstructing your view of the field. Now, one of the biggest things is the change on this right-hand side is the new continuity editor. Instead of being a text-based continuity editor, we've added in a visual editing menu. This allows you to see more information about what the marching continuity is, as opposed to it being text-based. Below this, we have a marching errors list. So as you're editing your show and you've come across an error, it will display it right as soon as it has been detected by the program. And then when you click on it, it can move you directly to that page and select which of the items have the problem. In this case, which marchers are going to collide. And finally, down here, we have a print continuity editor. So when you print your show, this is the continuity that would show up. This is still text-based, where you need to edit in and write out the continuity, but this allows you to make edits in line with the show, making it much easier to make sure that your show here is correct with above.